All right, we're going to find the shortcut for squaring binomials. First of all, we're going to do the square of a binomial with our box. So n times n is n squared. 9 times n is 9n. 9 times n is 9n. And 9 times 9 is 81. Draw our arrows connecting our like terms. N squared plus 9n plus 9n plus 81. N squared plus 18n plus 81 would be our product. Now we're going to do the shortcut. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our first term and we're going to square it. And we're going to take our last term and we're going to square it. And then what we're going to do for our middle term is we're going to take the 9 times n and then times 2. So the 9 came from here, the n came from inside the parentheses, and then we're going to double it, which gives us 18n. So our product would be n squared plus 18n plus 81. Let's do another one. Now this is a minus, or subtraction. So r times r is r squared. Negative 11 times r is negative 11r. Negative 11 times r is negative 11r. And negative 11 times a negative 11 is 121. Combine our like terms with our arrow, r squared minus 11r minus 11r plus 121 gives us r squared minus 22r plus 121. Now we're going to do our shortcut. So we're going to take our r and do r squared. Take our negative 11, do negative 11 squared, which is 121. Then we're going to take our negative 11 times r times 2. So we took the two parts that were inside the parentheses and multiplied. So we have negative 22r. So r squared minus 22r plus 121 would be your product. All right, we're going to do another one, square it. We'll do box first. So 6h times 6h is 36h. 6h times negative 1 is negative 6h. Negative 1 times 6h is negative 6h. And negative 1 times 1 is 1. Combine our like terms with our arrow. So 36, this should be h squared. H squared minus 12h plus 1 would be our product. Now we're going to do our shortcut. So we're going to take 6h and square it, which gives us 36h squared. We're going to take our negative 1 and square it, which gives us positive 1. And then we're going to take negative 1 times 6h times 2. So that would give us negative 12h. So 36h squared minus 12h plus 1 would be our product. Now you're going to notice that we're multiplying two binomials, and the only thing that's different is one is an addition sign and one is a subtraction sign. So 7k times 7k is 49k. 7k times negative 3 is negative 21k. 3 times 7k is positive 21k. And 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Combine our like terms. 49k squared plus 21k minus 21k minus 9. You'll notice that our middle terms zero pair out. So it's 49k squared minus 9. So for our shortcut, what we do is we multiply the first terms So we do 7k times 7k, which gives us 49k squared. And then we multiply the last terms. So 3 times negative 3 gives us negative 9, so it's 49k squared minus 9 is our product. Okay, again, we have a subtraction sign and an addition sign. So 6a times 6a is 36a squared. 6a times 7b is 42ab. 6a negative 7b is negative 42ab. And negative 7b times 7b is negative 49b squared. Combine our middle terms, our like terms. So we're going to have 36a squared minus 49b squared because our middle terms canceled out. Again, if I take my first two terms and multiply 6a times 6a, it's going to give me 36a squared. Take the last terms, multiply negative 7b times 7b, gives me negative 49b squared. So I have 36a squared minus 49b squared. And that's how you do your shortcut.